Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and one of the problems with this giant glass dish, it is really heavy. I cook anything in it, but the chicken's done. Let's see if I can show you that. There it is. It came right off the bone. Nice and tender. Too hot to eat. It got a little singed because I left it in for too long. I left it in for an hour, thinking it's going to take an hour. And it got cooked quicker now. But the potatoes are done. Green beans are done. So, let me try a bite of the green bean. Oh, with the potato hanger on. Oh, the green bean fell off. All right. It's fine. Very yummy. Potato. Piece of chicken. Okay. You can see it's right out of the oven. So, it's done. Next time I'll do 45 minutes. But that's going to be my meal for a couple days. Like I said, a little bit of charring on mushrooms and stuff, but that's okay. I learning experience, learning how to cook new things. I haven't done this before, but this is a quick way. This was about I think a $7 chicken. A lot of work to get all the fat off, but it makes a good meal for a couple days. I got the potatoes and the bell peppers, had a can of green beans, and bought 2 bottles of Sweet Baby Ray's sauce. So far, even better than Kraft. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night, and I'll catch you next time. And I have 3 kitties vying for my attention. Mama cat, Fluffy, and little girl. So, I got to get back to the bed. Bye-bye for now.